Good afternoon, Philip. This is Dick Mariano from Prime Motor Cars. I wanted to send you a nice video of the 2016 wagon that you inquired about. This is absolutely a fabulous car. The color, the equipment. Has a really nice AMG sport wheels on it with the exterior sport package. What's so unique is the color combination, because most of the time this color will have a black interior, and this has the light gray interior, which is very, very attractive. And it has the navigation, the panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel. It's got the shades in the rear window. Has all your sensors for your backup camera. And of course it does have third row seating, but the seats aren't lifted up right now, but they're very easy. They just come up, fold back, and then they fold right down again. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope really that this is a very nice car, and I hope it works out for you. Thanks, Philip. I appreciate it.